This egg was the first one, second, and the third. So this one is like maybe 2 or 3 days behind. This one I put in maybe 3 days ago. I'm not sure, but there is progress. Here I have the youngest one. Right now it's just a little tiny heartbeat. You can see it pumping. This is the second egg. As you can see, it is well developing. You can see the little baby in there too. He moves and everything. Not bad, right? Cute little thing. And the oldest is this little guy right here. He is gigantic and he is moving in there lively. You can see his head right there, swimming around in there. So hopefully these 3 guys are gonna be very well and healthy little happy babies. Let's see, what else to say? Oh, after this I have to build a bird brooder, because I don't trust my Quakers with newborn babies, although I'm pretty sure they can do a fantastic job. They have a dummy egg inside their box right now, which she laid but is not fertile because it was once in this incubator. But after 2 days I didn't see any progress, so I took it out and I gave it back. So yeah.